are you? The soke. I am Ikra. The Ikra am. Who is your teacher? Sta de. My teacher is Sir Hikmat. Zama Ustad Sir Hikmat de. No tasu dalta ki ukato che ma padi jumlo ki the who kalima istemala. The who matlab de soak, and the definition of who is who asked about person or persons. Who the khalku baraki pukhtana kai. For example, who is this? Da soak de. This is my friend. Da zama malgiri da. Who is that? Aga soak de. That is my teacher. Aga zama ustaz de. Where are you? The chirte. I am at home. Zapakor kiyama. Where is Ali? Ali chirte de. Ali is at school. Ali pa maktab ke de. No tas dalta ki ukato chima pa de sentences ke the where kalima istemala ka. The where matlab de chirta, and the definition of where is where used to ask about place. Where the zibara ki pukhtana kai. For example, where is your home? Stakur chirta de. My home is in Lalazar. Zamakur Palalazar ke de. Where is Sir Hikmat? Sir Hikmat chirta de. Sir Hikmat is in class. Sir Hikmat per simf ke de. Mananne.
Raza chis ukhru.
Let's eat something. Let's eat something.
Raza chis usku.
Let's drink something. Let's drink something.
Stada malgari sokhwakti.
What does your friend like? What does your friend like?
Stada malgari num sade.
What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name?
Ikra jada ma.
Ikra, don't cry. Ikra, don't cry.
Nan maktab ta naum tale.
I did not go to school today. I did not go to school today.
Rasha.
Come fast. Come fast.
Dalta kena.
Sit here. Sit here.
Halta udrega.
Stand there. Stand there. Take off. Take off. Put down. Put down. Take out. Take out. Put in. Put in. Pick up. Pick up. Put on. Put on. Mananne, that's your videos. Like and follow.